Guys, Crazy Code Tutorials here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this double-sided ninja star. It's a very easy origami. You can pretty much teach it to any kid that can listen to directions and fold paper. I really hope you like this video. It's very, very easy. So let's get started. Okay, so to make the double-sided ninja star, what we're going to need is 2 sheets of printer paper. So now I'm using white and blue just to add a little bit of color to our ninja star. But you can use one color if you like. So set one paper to the side for now and just focus on one sheet of paper. So what we're going to do is we're just going to want to split this paper in half. So easy way to do that, take the right side, match it up with the left side, and give it a good crease. Now when you unfold it, there should be a line straight down the middle. So just take your scissors and cut along that line. So now we have split the paper in half. So just take one side and just place it on the side for now. So now we have this one side of paper. So now we're going to do the same thing that we did to the bigger sheet. We're just going to fold it in half. But the difference is we're not going to split it. So take the right side, match it up with the left side. And then once you have that lined up, give it a nice good crease. Okay, and then turn it so that the crease right here is facing towards you. And that's very important. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to want a small line right here, straight down the middle. So again, take the right side, match it up with the left side, and give it a good crease. Now here comes the important part. This is where people mess up and then their double-sided ninja star won't turn. So you're going to want to fold the right side down and the left side you're going to fold up. This is very, very important because if you don't do this correctly, like if you fold the right side down and the left side up, and for the next unit fold it the other way, it's going to be wrong and it won't turn. So now flip it over. And then you should have something like this. So now you see this, there's 2 triangles in the middle. We're going to try to replicate that, but on the outside. So the same way that this triangle is facing, we're going to do with this paper. So here's an easy way to remember that. Just take the outside side and match it up with this line right here. Simple, very easy. And just do that. And once you've done that, it should look like a triangle. So if you fold it over this, it's the same thing, but after we cut this out. So now do the same thing with the other one. Take the outside side. This is the outside side. This is the inner side because it's facing the other stuff. So take the outside side and fold it to this center line right here. Just fold it right there. Once you have everything lined up, give it a good crease. So now flip it over again, and you can see we have the excess paper that I was talking about. So just trim that off with your scissor. Just make sure not to cut anything else, because if you do, it can ruin your whole ninja star. Just give everything a nice cut, and take this and you can put them in the trash. Okay, so this is 1 unit of our ninja star. Now we want to create 3 more units. So be sure to fold everything the same way and the same direction as I told you to, and you're all good. So I'm just going to quickly make the next 3 units. Okay, so to put the other side of the ninja star in, we're just going to take both of our units and we're going to use them now. So flip this over. So I use the blue one as the bottom layer and the white one as the top layer. So now I'm going to use the white one as the bottom layer for this ninja star and the blue one for the top one. So it's not just like make another ninja star and glue it on. It needs to move. So what we're going to do is take this white one, fit it under this blue one right here, and push it all the way until it reaches the other side. And you can experiment a little, and if it doesn't go in, try the other side. And if it does break like mine did right now, just push it back together and it's fine. It happens, so it's not much big deal. Okay, so now I have the white one down, and now I need to place the blue one like we did with the white one on the top one. Okay, so now remember what I said, we always go clockwise. So fold the white one down first, then fold the blue one down and fold the white one over the blue one. Okay, so you might have already noticed it's starting to get a little bit thick. Don't worry, that's totally fine and normal. Okay, so now again we have to tuck the fourth one inside of this white one and over this third one. So over the third one and under the white one, just push this out and push that in. Keep on pushing that in, flatten it out, push it in more, and then there you go. That's your double-sided ninja star now. So now it looks like this on both sides, and then you can kind of move it, and then it looks like that. So it's cool. It's pretty simple. It is easy origami. This is probably the second thing that I ever learned in origami. So I do recommend this if you're just starting out and you have no idea how to fold paper in whatsoever direction. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to like the video, be sure to comment on the video, be sure to share it to all of your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing origami content like this. I upload every Tuesday, so ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Thanks!